Hi everyone, welcome to our AP Chem tutorial on naming Roman numeral ionic compounds. I'm just going to roll through some examples. So here we have Hg2O. We know Hg is mercury, and then O is oxygen. Like we learned before, we have to change the suffix to "ide", so it would become oxide. But we also have to look at the charges. So we know that oxygen always has a 2- charge. And since there's two Hgs, we have to try to see how many positive charges the mercury has. So since there's two Hgs, we have to know that there's one positive charge for every Hg to account for the 2- charge of the oxygen. So this would be mercury 1 oxide. The Roman numeral accounts for the charge that the previous element has. Okay, on to the next problem. We know that CO is cobalt, and I'll just leave space for the Roman numeral. And then we know that S is sulfur, which becomes sulfide. We know that sulfur has a 2- charge also, and then we don't know the charge of CO. So since this has a 2- charge, we know that cobalt has to have a 2+ charge to balance the compound out. So this will be given a Roman numeral of 2. Okay. For this problem, we already have the charge, so that makes things a little more easy. It's Sn, I think? Okay. Tin is Sn, and the nitrogen for the nitride is N. For nitrogen, we know that nitrogen has a 3- charge, and now we know that tin has a 2+ charge. So we would have 3 tins and 2 nitrides. We get the so they balance each other out with 6 positive charges and 6 negative charges. Okay, mercury 2 oxide. We know that mercury is Hg and oxide is O. Oxide has a 2- charge, and then mercury has a 2+ charge, so we don't have to do anything else with that.